Hey guys, it's Hendrik from bestpluginsforwordpress.com. Welcome to a new review I do for you. And it's about SEO Ultimate, a pretty awesome SEO plugin for WordPress that I pretty much use on every site that I install or that I have installed in the past. The creators of SEO Ultimate, SEO Design Solutions, say that it's the Swiss Army knife and it comes with 20 different SEO plugins inside of it, and they're pretty much right. Compared to all-in-one SEO, this is really the Mac Daddy and the plugin that you want to go with. And let me explain you why I think that you should definitely go with SEO Ultimate. First of all, it comes with a module manager where you can enable, hide, and disable all of the different modules of the plugin. These are all the modules it comes with. We will not go through all of them, but through the most important ones. And basically, why you need this is that it is good for your resources on your blog. It loads much faster if you disable the ones that you don't need. For example, I'm not using the competition researcher that many times. The internal relevance researcher you don't normally need on an everyday basis, and some other things as well. So you can just disable them and save those changes, and then that's good for your WordPress blog. Alrighty, so now let's go in and see where the similarities between all-in-one SEO, for example, and SEO Ultimate are. And these are basically in the main SEO plugin functions, just like rewriting the title and rewriting the different meta tags, for example the meta keywords and the meta description. So what you have here is the title tag rewriter module, and you just go in and you see that it's really nicely formatted. You have the tabs at the top for all the different settings, as well as all the different post types and also categories and such. So you have the default settings where you can set pretty much everything on a default level. For example, you can see my post title format for my posts is post review, then the pipe post WordPress plugin. So this is every plugin gets this title by default. However, you can change all of these settings by going into the post section, and here you see that on some posts you can add your own title tag, which is pretty neat, because sometimes you don't want to have the default format, so you can go inside and define it for every individual post. It works also for other post types. And what is really cool, you can view the post just by clicking here on the view tab, and you can edit it just by clicking here. So you can see, for example, for the review I'm doing right now, these are the SEO settings for SEO Ultimate, for example, and here I can put in the meta keywords. I can define the title tag, I can define the meta description, and I can set it to no index, no follow, add some incoming auto links, and so on. So this is pretty awesome. If you are writing this new post, I could just type in here SEO plugin. And now what this would do is every link that or wherever the keyword SEO plugin appears on my blog, it will automatically be auto-linked to this respective post. But we will see this in in more detail soon. So whatever. We go back to the title tag rewriter, and now we go into the meta keywords. You've seen that I've just changed a few of the meta keywords for SEO Ultimate, and when I now go into posts, you scroll down. So on the second page it appears. Takes a little while to load. Then you can see here that SEO Ultimate has some other settings than all the other plugins. So normally you could just fill out the whole list right here, or you can go in to everyone and edit it, or you can view it but just by clicking on these links on the left side. So it's pretty neat. Besides this, you can do the same stuff for the meta descriptions as well. And what I really like is the meta robot tags, where you can set certain pages or posts to no follow and no index. So whenever the link, for example, to my Impress appears, I will set this page to no index, and the link that goes to Impress I will set to no follow, so the page rank stays on the various pages and is not passed on to the Impress page, because I don't need any page rank on the Impress page. So that's this for this module. Then what I really like is the 404 monitor. Here you can see that some referrers, which basically is a URL, and some user agents, basically either a Google bot or a search engine bot or even a real human user, has gone to this specific URL and was directed to a 404 page, and this just logs all this data and shows me where there are posts or pages not working, and where I have to go in and redirect them to the new post or wherever this site has moved. So this is pretty nice, especially when you use redirection. Pretty good plugin to redirect old posts and pages to a new URL. So this is pretty good. Besides this, what I think is pretty awesome with the SEO Ultimate plugin is the deep link juggernaut. Here you can just type in an anchor text, just like I've shown you on the edit post page. You can put for example SEO plugin, and when you go to destination, you just type in SEO, and it will look for all the posts where SEO is in the tags or in the title, or has some relevancy with this specific post. So here you see all the posts, the media, for example pictures, and besides that you see the categories as well, and some post tags where you can link to. So I could just choose this category, add a title attribute, and then save changes. And now what it would do is it would create deep links from within the posts to the SEO plugins category whenever there's the anchor text of the keywords SEO plugin. I'm not going to do this now, but it is a pretty neat feature. And you can customize this even more just by going here to the content link settings, and you can set don't add more than, for example, 5 auto links per post per page. You can set all kinds of restrictions. You can say that it can allow that you can that posts can link to themselves, which doesn't really make sense. And then you can also add auto links to specific post types. Just like here, you can just enable and disable it. So these are the features that I really use the most about this plugin. And then there's also the slug optimizer, where you can delete certain stop words so they don't appear in your URL. You can monitor the settings. The no follow manager basically sets certain links, such as your registration and login links, to no follow, so the page rank is not passed onto those sites as well. And then besides that, you have some competition researcher and some internal relevance researcher. I like the internal relevance researcher because it's a good way to find out what pages are the most relevant to a certain keyword that you are targeting. For example, SEO plugins. And when I click on submit, it takes me to Google and shows me that SEO plugins is the most relevant, or the SEO plugins category is the most relevant URL on my site for this specific search. So basically, this is SEO Ultimate. It's comes packed with a lot of features that you definitely need on every site that you install. It's a great way to optimize your site, and it's pretty easy to use because it comes with this menu on the left, and it lets you customize all these all the different modules, just like you need it. And yeah, basically that's everything there is about SEO Ultimate. But I think it's a great plugin that I wanted to share for a long time with you guys. And yeah, just abandon all-in-one SEO and install SEO Ultimate. It's free, and it's just a great plugin to use on every site that you own. If you have questions or comments about this review, just leave a comment down below, and I will get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great day, and talk to you soon. Bye bye.